Right, it's been a while since I've done one of these unboxing videos, but just bought one of these and I had a look for an unboxing video of one of these, so I knew what come in it, and there wasn't one, so I thought I'd do one. So let's go ahead. Ugh. Right, this cost me €700 from the Stahlwerk website. I'd seen them on eBay, but I bought it direct from them because I just thought the warranty might be better, or the warranty might be better granted anyway, because I bought it direct off them. The warranty on it apparently 7 years, which is quite good. And in here got some welding rods that I'd ordered, aluminium, steel and silicon bronze, I think. Yep. So they're not part of the welder, so ignore them. So first thing out of the box is a plug converter. Feels a little bit flimsy. If you bear with me 1 second, I'm pretty sure it'll be all above board. One moment. Right here in front of me. Let's check her for earth continuity. Sure it will be. Yep. It is a safe plug. The earth pin's connected. I wouldn't think of anything less from the Germans. Oh, I didn't know I was getting that with it. A magnetic pickup, a magnetic parts bin. Okay, it's nice. With their logo. Very big operations manual in German and English. Seems to be quite good, and if you can see that. Lots of nice pictures on there. Seems quite simple. Yep, happy days. And the important notice saying opening the housing will void the warranty. So anyway, let's have a look. Oh, it's shiny. Let's take it out. Accessories. So let's have a look in here. So can you see? Boom, 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 boom. We have earth clamp. By the way, this is, I've never used a TIG welder before, so it's not an earth clamp actually, that's the stick welder clamp. I've never used a welder really that much before, so please forgive my ignorance. Here's the earth clamp, or the grounding clamp anyway. That's pretty beefy. Very good quality cable. You can tell just by touching it. It's got a nice feel to it. Gas hose. Brush. Hammer for chipping. Some quick connects for the hose lines. And the business end. Yeah, feels nice enough. A swivelly ball there. Okay. It's a fair length. Can't remember how long it is. I've got 5 meters in my head, but it doesn't look like 5 meters. It's probably about 3, something like that. Accessories. That's everything in the accessories box. So let's bring the main unit out then. It's not as heavy as I thought. It's got a bit of gravity in it. There we go. Whoa. Okay, now. Right. There we go. Let's take out the clamp. Ooh. That looks pretty cool. I mean, obviously, doesn't matter what it looks like, really, does it? It's how it works is the main thing. Look how reflective that is. How long is it going to take to scratch that up? Right, fingerprint magnet. Designed and quality controlled in Germany. Made in China. There we go. Luft, air in, breaker, on off, decent fan, and then just your normal info blurb that it won't focus on. Focus. Dunk, there you go. Arc rays can injure eyes and cause burns. Good to know. Anyway, I think that's about all you need to know about it at the moment, because it's just an unboxing video, and as I mentioned before, I don't know anything about TIG, so this is what I'm learning with. I've just set up a supply for gas rental, which I can hopefully get next week for some argon, and then I'll start welding. It's great. Thanks for watching. Bye.